Coconut juice.
Coconut water.
Yeah, coconut water. Yeah.
Coconut water.
Coconut water. Yeah. The coconut water is sweet.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. You see,
It depends on the coconut tree. If it produce sweet
sweet.
sweet water.
Yeah, sweet water.
Ano ba? Nosebleed ako dito ah.
The water of the coconut is sweet water.
Oh.
Why it become sweet?
Because
Yeah.
because of nature.
Yeah, why inside
in pepper
inside the coconut why become sweet? Yeah.
Because of God provide.
Yeah.
Provided.
Yeah, because we people will not put water on the coconut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God
The
is
power of the Lord.
Yeah. God is observed. In case no water,
She make ulan-ulan o rainy.
no water in the world.
Come, Ma'am Belen, come.
Why you could think
Joke.
why there is water inside the coconut? Why?
Kaya mga kababayan,
Yeah. Answer your question.
bibigyan daw ni ni Mamang kung sino makakasagot. Ayan, bibigyan na ng ayuda.
No, our Lord is the one who puts water.
Yeah.
Yeah. But inside the coconut, why there is water? Yeah. Why?
Because of God. God gives the
It's a magic.
Yeah. Because of the Lord.
practice.
Because we just put water inside the coconut.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
No split tayo dito.
And the water is sweet.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
They put sugar inside.
Maybe the good Lord put sugar again.
Yeah.
Shiba in the...
Ni Eltor,
what?
ato kano ti updated nga English taktan. Updated.
Ang
Anya nga tanga word mo nagka. Yo.
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 Hey yo.
Hey yo.
Ang babit ka ni Kuting apay nga nanom sa unang tinyo.
Yeah, answer.
You answer that.
If she got a correct answer,
Inside the coconut. Why? Did you put Kuting? Did you put Bilin water inside the coconut?
Only God.
the coconut tree put water in the coconut fruit. Fruit ba yun?
You gather the coconut and you put water.
Yeah, God. God is
Kano, no bigat kano.
what do you
Yeah,
say?
God is the one.
Wala nang di kali.
Because,
Powerful.
yeah.
God is powerful. And put
Kaya nga
the-
mga babayan.
Because
Nakakano nga, yung nga ano bakit nga
people will
mayroong,
not put water.
yeah,
Yeah.
bakit nga,
You're
bakit nga,
correct. You're
Yeah.
correct.
I'm
Powerful.
correct.
Yeah.
I'm correct.
Yeah.
Because God is a powerful.
Yeah.
He gives man, our people.
Yeah.
So,
You think, why there's water inside the coconut?
kaya nga naman,
Why there's water inside
bakit nga na naman may para tubig sa loob ng
Bakit? You answer
buko.
the question.
answer.
Why there is
What is
water
the question,
inside the
Auntie? What
coconut?
is the question?
There is an tumbog.
Did you put?
What is the question,
O, si
Auntie?
Ma'am Belen, tubog daw.
Tubog. Anong
It's a tumbog of the coconut tree.
what is tubog?
What subo?
Tumbog. Water. Tumbog.
What do you call that? Tubog?
You speak in Tagalog.
Ah,
Tubog.
Hey, we speak English.
yeah,
English.
English?
Tubog what?
Wait, I'll think
Kasi
first.
parating na yung mga ano, dapat matutunan yung manual
suputan bilin. Kanang kuting.
Supot.
Supot.
Supot ko na na ito.
Sak.
Isa yung subog daw. Tubog.
Why the coconut has water inside the coconut? What? Why?
Because of
We're
tubog.
asking you. Asking your three.
Sirit na, sirit.
Anong sirit?
Sirit.
Ano yan? Bugtong-bugtong?
Chit. Ali, bang.
Pwede yung asala da ini. Sinala naman.
Yeah, it's
That's a
very
big question.
Yeah.
Because of that.
If you think
May di pa
it's very
tatasin natin,
common.
tatay.
Oh, God can
When
see.
the coconut become big, there's water already.
Panimalag talita.
God
Inside.
give power.
That is
Because of
Na, mga tayon. Di. Shall we eat?
mga tayon.
Wala pang kakain, di pa nasagot yung question niya eh.
Hindi pa ninyo nasagot ang question.
Oo.
Why there is water inside the coconut? Kuting and bilin and everybody.
COVID.
Why there is water inside the coconut?
I do not know.
I don't know.
I do not know.
Wala na. Tapos na. Ayaw na nilang sagutin. Kung bakit may ano daw sa loob ng buko. Coconut water. Badiday, ano mo, i-google mo.
Naka-imposible, no? O, dumakal di coconutin, ganda ganong na. Ang kaya ta. So nga ni Apo nga tabi ko.
Talaga nga powerful. Nagagawa ang lahat ng kakaiba. O yan, si Danny, tanungin.
Dani, maguguan mo na ang kamay mo. Kain na tayo.
Kala ko tatanungin mo.
Wala na question, mama. Wala no more to answering.
No one could answer the question of Mamang. Si Bisang,
It's so very difficult.
baka manseran na.
Only sang.
Oh,
Why your tummy is very big now?
I'm eating. Because I'm eating. Eat.
Oy, need to eat. Apay nga.
Ay mga babayan, i-ano ko i-flash ko dito sa iyo yung konting clip ng video ni Badiday nung dumating sila.
Big, bakit may...
Nagulat si Badiday eh. Nung nakita niya. Aba, may mahaba pala daw yung leg niya pero ngayon maiksi na.
Yung kabil ko. Wala na mo ko yung
Yan, di kaya mo nga kontante, si Daan.
Medyo dakay tayo ko.
Awan sabi mo yung linuto da.
O nga ro, dawan pa lang nga. Guni ka daning. Ay plus na pa eh.
So yan mga bayan, kakain na kami. Maraming salamat ulit.
Ay, kwam.
Yung mga ulam namin, kita nyo na kanina.
Punas mo no.
Bye!
Oy, Dani. Aday baga kanya yun. Apay nga dadanong jay unag tiko ko na.
Naman, bakit daw may tubig sa loob ng
Apay,
buko?
sino tinay kabiling kabil mo?
Nado pong aro di ko.
Yeah.
Lubog na. Ito.
Galing sa buko.
Wala ka. Imposible mat na jay danong nga mapan jay ko. Aw mati na may kabil nga tao.
Sinipsip din po na.
No,